Guys, welcome back. In today's video we are making OMI OBE. Welcome to the life of a food vendor and a content creator based in Nigeria. So in today's video, like I mentioned, we are making OMI OBE. OMI OBE is a palm oil smoothly blended tomato pepper mix made by the Yoruba people to pair with their ewedu and sometimes the obe la, which is okra, white okra. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I make mine. I am saying how I make mine because I know there are a lot of ways to make it, some of which I'll be sharing in this video. So to achieve this delicious stew, you want to go ahead and add some palm oil to a dry pot right on the stove, and because of I'm making it my own way, I'm going to add some vegetable oil to this. Okay, trust me, you can make it with just palm oil, but there's this texture it gives when you add some vegetable oil, and that's what I aim to achieve. So go ahead and heat up your oil.
All the commercial recipes show you how to make some fun when you're cooking in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen whipping, I be flipping. I'm in the kitchen whipping, I be flipping. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Temilayo and Mom. Temilayo and Mom.
So the process is quite simple. Once you heat up your oil, go ahead and add your onion, stir and stir until fragrance, then go ahead and add your pepper mix. This pepper mix consists of red pepper, shobo, which is the bawa, and few pieces of tomatoes, and a lot of onions. Okay, you want to blend some onions together with it. So this is how it is. You want to make it very smooth. Okay, this is not the pepper mix you do a roughly blended stuff on it. This one has to be very smooth, and I don't like adding a lot of water when I blend, so I have a very thick paste. Go ahead and fry this. For this obe, usually you can go ahead and add your pomo or whatever meat almost immediately after adding your pepper mix, but because I'm not using any protein for this at all, this is for a client, and the client wants his protein in a separate bowl, and I am making this in the night. This delivery is like early in the morning, so I made this late in the night, and I have already fried my fish, so I'm using fish as protein, and the client does not want it inside the obe. He just wants it sauced. Okay, so what I did, I fried my fish, and the next morning I'm just going to take some of this sauce and just stir my fish in it and just put my fish in a separate cooler. So the client wants the obe in a separate bowl. I don't know why. Probably some of the guests doesn't want the fish, or some of the guests doesn't eat fish at all, so that is why I'm not adding it in there. But I will be separating a bit of obe in the morning to just spice the fish up. Okay, so yeah, I have some meat stock in the fridge. I just added it for extra taste, and yeah, you can see at this point you just want to let it simmer a bit. Add some salt. As you can see, I added my pepper my meat stock before adding salt and seasoning powder. You want to do that because your meat stock might just contain enough. So because I tasted and I needed a bit more, that is why I'm adding some salt, seasoning powder, some lasso fish seasoning, and that's basically all you will need. Because it's a local sauce, you won't be needing all of the strong fragrance seasoning, something like curry, thyme, rosemary, and the likes. You won't be needing all of that. At this point, you just want to add your seasoning, lower your cooking gas, and just allow it to simmer a bit, and your obe is ready. This is one of the simplest dishes. Okay, this is one of the simplest way to cook your obe. So there's another way a typical Yoruba person will cook it. That is just putting the blended tomato on the pot before the oil. Okay, they will just put the blended tomato on the pot, add all their proteins if they are using proteins, and add fresh palm oil on the tomato while it's boiling. So that is a separate or different way of making it, but I just like to do the frying method because it tastes better to me. Okay, but a typical Yoruba we just prefer to put their palm oil straight in their pepper mix while it's boiling. So let me know how you make yours, because I know I have a lot of Yoruba in-laws on my channel. So go ahead and let me know how you make yours and how you like it. Okay, if you have tried this method and the other method, let me know in the comment section. I will really happy to read from you. Alright guys, let's just allow our obe simmer a bit, and now it's 100% ready. And yeah, I'm just going to take it off the heat and serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful to those of you that wonder how the amala sauce or amala stew is being made. This is how it's made in my own way, and it's so tasty. Don't forget, Yoruba, we love our palm oil, we love our oil swimming on top of the pots, so don't judge. Okay, so this order went out with egusi soup, dry egusi soup, not the Igbo way, just dry egusi soup, some pounded yam. The client also ordered a side of salad. I guess they are making rice in their own comfort. But yeah, this is everything this client ordered, and yeah, they were all looking good. This is the fish I was talking about. The pounding yam is in its own place. Everything was ready by the morning, which I will be delivering. This is the egusi I'm talking about, and over there is the obe we just finished making. And here is my salad. I just brought it out from the fridge to show you guys. I always like my salad cold, so now it's time to package all of this in a way that it will be better, like it will still be secure when it gets to its location. So I'm going to seal them with some ziploc, and yeah, my order is ready by the morning. I hope this was helpful, like you enjoy watching this video. If you're a food vendor, say hi in the comment section. I would like to see you, I would like to know you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, comment on the video, and share this video. That way you are supporting me, and I really do appreciate it. Alright then, have a blessed day. Bye bye.